uThixo always knows amandla ethu aphi na. Kukho laa nto ithi uThixo will never give you umthwalo ongaphezu kwamandla akho. And we always question God when we find ourselves in certain situations. But why me, Lord? Why do I have to suffer? Why do I have to feel pain? Because we always find ourselves in situations that we can't take ourselves out of. Not because of sometimes sisfakile, but you see yourself, you are suffering and drowning, misery after misery or pain after pain. Kanti uThixo will never give you umthwalo ongaphezu kwamandla akho. With my friend, like when we usually talk, like, no, yes, hayi, sophumla ecebo lethu. Kona sawuphumla kwangoma. Because of every time you're trying to breathe and find happiness, there's always something that will torture that happiness, or that will pain you to an extent you are feeling, or you see misery in that situation. There's nothing positive or that can bring you happiness out of that situation. Kanti uThixo asazi ukuthi usibekele okukhulu kunoku sikujongileyo thina. What came to my mind now is uNkulunkulu usifake ezintweni because efuna ukusikhulisa emoyeni. Kuthiwa uyavumela isimo senzeke, or uyavumela abantu bahlangane ngawo, or situations to come your way, because he knows amandla akunikeze wona ukuthi mangakanani. But we always don't trust God enough ngamandla sinikeze wona. We always see the bigger situation more than the bigger God in us. We always see the whole that the situation is putting us into more than the strength and the angels that we move with, that will help us, or that will pull us from the situation. Ithi iBhayibhile wabonakala indoda yesine kufakwe amadoda amathathu ezikweni lomoya. Thina we don't see njengala madoda because they didn't see the fourth man. Bazibone bebodwa. But even in that situation, uNkulunkulu wabonakala esibonakalisa. That's when they started to believe, not because of they didn't believe in God, but they did. Mara situation made them to doubt lo muntu bahamba naye ukuthi no, akazukwazi uba weza kule situation bazibona bekuyo. But sebefakiwe still apho, uThixo wabonakala ezibonakalisa. So uThixo sihamba naye nguThixo njalo, nguThixo ozivezayo, nguThixo oza ngomzuzu wokugqibela. That's the other part esilibalayo. nguThixo ohlehlayo aze ngeli xesha thina wethu amandla ethu aphela. Xa sesiqala ukuthi hayi andisazi ngoku, aqala afika azibonakalise. Bendikhona, bendinawe, ndisekhona nangoku. I have a reason for me to allow the situation ufikelele kuyo. Just like personally for myself, ndifana naba bantu bangaphefumliyo, aba baphumla ecebo lethu. So now that I'm beginning to think, no man, happiness yam yinto encinci. Not that ayikho ne, but I don't recognize it because of I find myself in situations that make me cry, or that make me to question God, or that make me to question the situation, or question myself, or question whatsoever. Why me, Lord? But what I've realized is, in those worst situations, in those worst position, in that process, or in that suffering, in that pain that I feel at that moment, that's when I build a strong relationship noThixo. That's when I draw even much more closer to God. So singabanye, the reason why uThixo esi-allowa to be in certain position or situation that causes pain, it's because of uThixo usifuna sikufutshane naye. It's because of uThixo akafuni sidlalele kude kunaye. Because once we find ourselves happy, or sikwindawo esifuna ukuba kuzo thina personally, we end up forgetting about him. But if usikhipha si-tiptoe high, like sincungcutheka in a way, according to our sides, asibalekeli kude kuye, singabantu abahlezi bekufutshane. Ngenye indlela ke lihlobo uThixo asithanda ngalo. This is a form of love, not because of uThixo uyasicapukisa, but uyasicapukela, but he loves us to that extent. He doesn't want us far away from him. So the closest thing that he can do, or the thing that can make us be close to him even more, kukusifaka in situations esizibona singakwazi ukuphumela, but knowing very well that ukuba ndiyamkhwaza uMabiza Sabelo, if I can pray to God, he will surely answer and rescue me in that situation. That's how it is. That's how our life is gonna be like. Sifakwa esimeni kuba uThixo efuna sisondele kufutshane naye, kuba uThixo esithanda, ngoba uyazi ukuthi ophuncuka kwethu, we won't turn back. We won't even recognize him. Singamanye. We won't even turn back and know that uncedo lwam luvelaphi na. So ufuna sazi now and again, and remember that uncedo lwam luvela kuSomandla. My help comes from God. My protection comes from God. Asizidluleli, siyadluliswa. I think uzama ukubethelela loo nto, or uzama uimplementa loo nto ezingqondweni zethu, not because of we don't know, but siyibamba siyiphuncula njengenetwork. We attach and detach. Si-attacha xa sesilapha kufutshana, when we are in a certain situation, uThixo ndiyamazi buyaphila uzanceda. But when we find ourselves happy and be in a position where sifuna ngakhona, that's when simlibala ngakhona. But once sasazibona sizikoneni, siyazi uba hayi uNkulunkulu uzandisiza, uNkulunkulu uzandiweza nakule, uNkulunkulu uzandilwela nakule situation. So asidluliswa zintweni because of ufuna usibona sifile, because of ufuna usibona siphumule icebo lethu. It's because of he wants us even much more closer to him. He wants that kind of relationship. Lesingayifuniyo esimane sibalekela siza xa sikwi-situation ezithile. And he knows very well when we are in those situations, that's where sifumana strength sethu ngakhona. That's where kuku-exploda or kuvuleka la moya singafuni uvula. That's where we tap kula anointing singafuni ukufikelela kuyo. That's more, we reach la level yomthandazo singafuni ufikelela kuyo. So uThixo usithanda kwizimo esidlula kuzo.